Good morning, class 2. So, class 2 are fine. So, you see, class 2, our chapter 7 is over. Okay, now we are left with one chapter. Okay, so that we will do in next coming week. After that, we will have interactive class. Okay, in interactive class, every day I will ask you, whenever we have class, 2 days, Friday and Saturday. So, I will ask you all these question answers. Okay, I'll give you the chapter, which chapter you have to study. According to that, I will ask you. Okay, so in video I will today in video what I'm going to do it, that chapter 7 question answers. Okay, I will be writing on the blackboard and explaining you. Okay, and in homework I will send you these question answers. Choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks. Okay, that all you will do it, because Sunday you have holiday, so nicely you can sit and do and learn it nicely. Okay, because only 2 days computer is, Friday and Saturday. Other days you can write down and learn it very properly. Okay, so you see 3 question was in your book, and question number 4 and 5 I have made from inside the book. So total 5 questions I am going to give. Okay, so I will write the question and answer on the blackboard, and I will read out everything for your convenient. Okay, so that when you will write the question answer and you will read, so you will not make any mistakes. Okay, children, so let's begin. Okay, the first questions: state the use of text command. Number one question: state the use of text command. Okay, the first question is, okay, first question: state the use of text command. So you see in MS Paint we have text. What we do with that text? The question is asking what is the use of text command. Okay, so the answer is text is used, okay, used for writing text is used for writing text in the selected area, Okay, so this is your number one question. So number one question and answer. So number one question is, state the use of text command. So the answer is text is used for writing writing text in the selected area. Now number two. Okay, number two is, what is pencil command in Paint used for? What is pencil command? What is pencil command in Paint Okay, what is pencil command in Paint used for? Okay, so you see the answer, pencil command is used for drawing or writing anything with a free hand, movement. Okay, children. So look at the blackboard. I'm going to read out. Okay, I'll read for you question 1 with answers, question number 2 also with answers, and then we will do the other questions. Okay, now see question number 1. Okay, this is of chapter 7. Say children, state the use of text command. So what is the use of text command? Answer. Text is used for writing text in the selected area. So you see the text command, okay, it will use for, so you are going to use for writing anything. So when you make a drawing, okay, now when you select the text, it is written with A. So why you use that? We use that for writing text. So you want to, suppose you have made an apple. While I was explaining this chapter in the video, I have explained everything only. That suppose you are making an apple. So you want to write, so you can select the text command and you can write an apple. Okay, so this is the answer. So text is used for writing text in the selected area. Okay, number 2. What is pencil command in paint used for? Now you see what is the use of pencil command. Okay, in the paint used for. So in paint, okay, in paint we have pencil also. What is the use of this? Okay, the answer. Pencil command is used for drawing or writing anything with a freehand movement. So with pencil command, what you can do? You can draw. Okay, so you can make drawing and you can write anything, whatever you want with your freehand movement. So you see again, question number 2. What is pencil command in the paint used for? Okay, the answer is pencil command is used for drawing or writing anything with a freehand movement. So with freehand movement, okay, by using a pencil, you can draw or you can write anything, whatever you want. So in paint, when pencil is there, after selecting pencil, so you can draw, you can make different drawing and you can use it for writing purposes. Okay, you can use it for writing purposes. Okay, so this is your 1 and 2. Once more I am reading 1. What is the use of text command? Text is used for writing text in the selected area. Number 2, what is pencil command in paint used for? Pencil command is used for drawing or writing anything with a freehand movement. So this is question 1 and 2. Okay, now we are going to do the other questions. See the other number 3 questions. Number 3, write the steps to save. Okay, number 3, write the steps to save. Write the steps to save your work in paint. Your work in paint. So it's answer. Okay, so you have to write all the steps which are used for saving your So number 1 steps, click the pen button. Number 1, click the paint button. Number 2, click the save options. Number 3 steps. Now in the file name box, type the name that you want to give that you want to give to your work. Step 4. Click the save button. Click the save button. Okay, now see question number 3. Okay, so write the step to save your work in Paint. So what are the steps? How you will save? Today suppose you have made a pictures. Okay, how you will save it? You have made a beautiful drawing. How you are going to save it? Okay, so here 4 steps are there which you have to follow. Number 1, click the pen button. So first what you will do, you will click the pen button. So already in while I was explaining the chapter I have said you, so it is in question answer C. So first click the pen button. So you will click the pen button. Okay, second step, click the save option. So when you click the pen button, menu will come. So from there you will click the save options. Okay, save option you will click it. Next, number 3, now in the file name box, type the name that you want to give to your work. Okay, now you see a small box will come. So in that box you have to give a file name. So you give it, suppose you made a drawing today. Okay, flower. So you can write your name, you can write flower, any name you can give it. Okay, fourth step. In fourth step, click the save options. So down there will be cancel and save option will be there. So at last in the fourth steps you will click on the save up button. Okay, so save option will be there, you will click on the save button. So automatically your pen in Paint, whatever you are saving, it will be saved. Okay, it will be saved. So children, so this is the question, write the step to save your work in Paint. Okay, so you see first what you are going to do, you will click the pen button. Okay, click the pen button. Second, click the save options. Third, now in the file name box, type the name that you want to give to your work. Whatever name you want to give to your file, you write it down. Okay, and in the fourth, click the save button. So after that you will click the save button. So in this way, okay, so this is number 3 question answers. Now 4 and 5. Now question number 4. Okay, what is the use of eraser command? What is the use of eraser command? Okay, answer. Eraser is used for used for erasing anything, okay, erasing any part, it will be of a picture or text. Okay, the next is, what is the use of magnifier command? Question number 5. What is the use of magnifier What is the use of magnifier command? Okay, magnifier is used to see a, so magnifier is used to see a drawing, in larger size. Okay children, now you see question number 4. What is the use of eraser command? So with eraser command, what you do? So eraser is used for erasing any part of a picture or text. Suppose you have done any mistake while you're making drawing, or anything you have written text is wrong. So at that time, with eraser command, you can erase it. Okay. Question number 5. What is the use of magnifier command? So with magnifier, what you are going to do? Magnifier is used to see a drawing in larger size. So magnifier will help you to see the drawing in a larger size. Small drawing, you can make it big and look it very carefully. Okay, so this is number 4 and number 5. Once I'm reading, what is the use of eraser command? Eraser is used for erasing any part of a picture or text. Number 5, what is the use of magnifier command? Magnifier is used to see a drawing in larger size. Okay, so these 5 question answers I will give you. Okay, you all will write it as a homework and learn it, everyone, children. Okay, thank you.